Hello dear children, welcome back to Uma Talks. And today definitely it's no educational, no motivational, even not a book review, but a special meeting between you and me. Yes, it is Teachers Day, children, and I'm there to talk to you face to face on this particular day, my feelings, my emotions, what I have for you. Okay, I have been longing and wanting to express myself. Okay, but again children, for the first time I have a platform, this platform of mine, my channel, through which I can speak out my views. Yes, so first and foremost children, thank you so very much from the deep core of my heart to each one of you children, the ex-students, the present students, and even the elders. Everybody, thanks a lot. Okay, now for what? For all the love that you have been sharing from the time you entered into the school, you came in contact, okay, until the time you left. Yes, the love, the bond between you and me has been very strong. I know that I have experienced, and I think you would also agree. You definitely hold a very important place in my life, and I do remember even the first, I think the first board children, okay, in Carmel Convent, even the first year Mithilesh group, okay, that all those children I remember. These children must have what, it's very fixed, they have completely settled down in their lives. Okay, many of the students, those whom I have taught, they are the teachers in the same school where I teach. And yes, and it's a proud feeling that many of you are doctors, you are engineers, you have reached to heights, government services, so you have reached to the heights, and it really feels very happy when you come back sometimes, okay, recall back the memories, either on the social media, sometimes on the Facebook, sometimes Insta, these are the medias, okay, so you come back and you recall those memories, and you wish me, it's really very happy moment. Yes, and now because I have started this channel also, so I keep waiting for you all, okay, that you'd come back and see, because it is completely meant for you. Now one more thing I would like to tell you, that I started actually the education that is for the school children, 10th, 11th and 12th, English and Bio, but then it was not in my mind. Then somebody gave me an idea that, ma'am, for the ex-students, why don't you start motivational? That will be beneficial for everybody. And then came the English speaking and book reviews. So slowly I got into that, and I thought, why not? If I'm able to do, if I'm like a little beneficial to the society, okay, if I can contribute a little to the society, why not? So I should come forward and help the people. So children, all this upliftment, all this confidence, all the particular attitude of helping, definitely got it from you. You children are really very innocent at heart, but being in the classes also, it's not always that we teachers only teach you, we get quite lots to learn from you. Yes, when I tell you this channel of mine, one of the ex-student, okay, Gautam, I hope you are seeing it. Yes, he has been commenting in all my videos from the very first till date, and whenever you are a little late, I do keep waiting for your comment, okay. It really uplifts me. So I come to a conclusion, children, that it's not that the appreciation of the teachers uplifts or boosts the or motivates the students. Sometimes a time comes when children, those who have grown up, even they motivate their parents, they motivate the children, and they also feel very happy. So thank you so much, and thank you to all those students, those who come out of the way and give your motivation in terms of comment, in terms of views. So thank you all. We also require some of the times when we are out of the box, and this particular thing what I'm doing is completely out of the box, because I have been born in a century, you can say, in the times where technology we don't know how to use, and use of this technology at this particular hour definitely is it should be appreciated, I feel. Okay, and children, yes, here I am with my heart and soul for you. Okay, and ever ready, as you know, those of you who know me, yeah, being in the class with you is the happiest moment for me. And I really love it. As you say, you love biolab and you love the class. Even I wait for the periods, and it's not just to say, you know that we both enjoy the classes, enjoy the periods. And the time is such, children, this pandemic, it's really very tough. And you are missing the contacts, the eye contacts with the teachers, and even the same with us. The school, even we, everything is empty. हर कुछ खाली खाली है, and कोई मजा ही नहीं है पढ़ने का और पढ़ाने का. But then something is better than nothing. So online classes, these YouTube videos, okay, these are there. But then we can't help this pandemic till it gets over. But let's keep our fingers crossed and hope and pray to God so that it gets over fast and we meet again. So again, every time from my heart, today you have been wishing me, and lots of wishes from you, children. Love you lots. Okay, God bless, and may you reach to the heights of success. May you have all the peace and happiness and good health in your life, and definitely, as गुरु ब्रह्मा दोनों खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपकी गोविंदियो बताए. आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा, और हमको भी. और आज मैं ये प्लेटफॉर्म और एक चीज के लिए यूटिलाइज करती हूँ, दैट I do remember all my teachers, because you have the mobile numbers, you have the contacts with your teachers, okay, but our times we didn't have. So definitely through this platform, if I can reach to my teachers, I do thank my nursery teacher, my KG, school teachers, my math sir whom I loved so much, my bio ma'am, and 12th standard bio ma'am, even when I went to graduation, Anju ma'am, yes, my PG degree, again Pratibha ma'am, and when went for MEd, yes, Anamika ma'am. So all the teachers were marvelous. They have contributed into my life, and teachers, due to your contributions, I am whatever I am today in my life, and I'm able to do something for the society. I feel teaching is the best profession, and I am able to do. Children, only your comments can tell me whether I'm actually able to contribute, or you are happy, or whatever. Okay, so that is what. Thank you, teachers. Thank you so much. Nothing can repay your debts. That is what I can say. Because parents, yes, they give us birth, तो वो जो भी करते हैं हम अपना right समझते हैं. But teachers के साथ हमारा कोई blood relations नहीं होता है. They go out of the way, and whatever they do, they do. And what I feel is, teaching is not only giving, it is a communication. और वो communication बहुत strong होनी चाहिए. And I do try to develop that. Okay, waiting to regain back into the old back days. Okay, classroom teaching, and hoping that that days would return back very soon. Okay, so I feel again that I have thanked you all from the core of my heart. Again, thank you all, children. Thank you all for your good wishes. And thank you for remembering me on this special day. And I take this opportunity to bless you all. And may you succeed whatever you have in your brains, whatever you have in your hearts. And may we keep in contact with each other. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.